Marshtuning, bro. Let's go. Marshtuning, bro. Marshtuning versus 4-piston, motor to motor. It's real spicy. I told him we could side bet 1,000, 2,000, 3,000.
What up, guys? Eliminations round 1 today. My brother is paired with this Mustang. I think they both run about the same times. J-Rock's paired, I think, with a Camaro, and Jamie's paired with Joe Pinella. So CT on CT crime with Jamie and Joe. They always race each other. So J-Rock and the Camaro going up first. My brother in the Mustang second. Well, the next pair after that. And then Jamie and then Joe Pinella are facing off. Sucks, but that's how it's played out this weekend. I'm gonna bring you guys round 1 elimination. My sister's probably gonna be holding the camera. I'm gonna line them up.
that feel?
So fast I had to pull the parachute. I pulled the parachute like right here.
8:21.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. What up, boys? I'm sorry I haven't recorded in between. I ran an 8:21 versus PFI Speeds 8:21. I won on a whole shot win. Shout out to them, man. Great team. So I am paired next with #1 qualifier. He runs 8.0s. It's a Pontiac. I got my work cut out for me. If I cut a good light, I'm gonna do my best. J-Rock got eliminated. J-Rock went at 9:34. My brother got eliminated. Car bogged out of the hole. The only people that are left right now is me and Jamie. And Jamie is racing 4-piston again for a second time this season. So J-Rock raced them earlier today with their new car. Now the OG car is racing. Jamie, it's gonna be a good race in all motor.
Yo, I need you to explain to the viewers what's about to go down right now.
Round 2 eliminations for all motor. Jamie is racing 4-piston again for the second time this season.
This right here is epic. This is better than a final.
Yeah, we gotta remember J-Rock raced them already in the other car.
I raced them.
J-Rock raced the other car that they have now. They have their OG car. Jamie's racing it. Probably gonna be the best race in all motor.
What are you doing out here, bro?
Bro, I'm outside, bro.
You far away from home.
Marshtuning, bro. Marshtuning versus 4-piston, motor to motor is real spicy. I told them we could side bet 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Whatever they want to bet, we could put up, man. Marshtuning, bro. Let's go.
Boys, unfortunately I got eliminated. Cylinder 2 is a little down, so I don't know if you guys seen the little sparks out of the exhaust. I don't know what's up with it yet, but either way, I tried my best. Jamie's still in. Jamie beat 4-piston. They red lit against them. It's been an insane week. We all gave it our all. Jamie's still in. We're gonna go up to the line now, but I am out. Best pass of the weekend was the 821. Trying to just figure out the new setup with the car. 9-year-old engine, can't complain. So let's get to the line with Jamie. So we got Jamie versus Orange Mustang. Mustang is on that side. It sucks, man. They cut off 100 pounds off the domestics this season. The domestics are absolutely killing it. So the other dude went a 9.29 against Jamie. It sucks, man. They should have just left the weight the same. But it is what it is. We put up a good fight. We got out here. All our cars did great. We did what we could. That's it for Jamie. That's it for us, man. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's been a long week, man. But I'll see you guys in the next one.